Returning to wealthy coins. Howdy everyone. Due to the Shibarium upgrade, Shiba Inu coin has risen to $5 in just one day. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. A new meme coin that rivals Shiba Inu was born as a result of Ethereum inventor Vitalik Buterin's taunting of some crypto projects. On Friday, Vitalik Buterin joked on Twitter about the need for someone to start a project called the Protocol. This video will discuss the Shibarium update that caused the Shiba Inu coin to surge to $5 in a single day. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. On October 19th, let's check out what Shiba Inu is up to. After more than 2 months of trying, Shiba Inu finally broke free of the constraints that held it back from its trendline resistance. The bearish bias has kept the dog-themed coin vulnerable to sell-offs from its near-term exponential moving averages. A buying surge was just sparked by the $0.00957 support, but it was unable to change the near-term negative narrative. If the price continues to fall below the $0.01014 level, sellers may be able to find new lows. In the previous day, SHIB's value fell 2.82%, trading at $0.01013. Last week, SHIB broke out above the $0.00957 level, igniting a brief upswing that eventually headed for the 20 EMA, red, and the 50 EMA. The buyers attempted to break free of the 50 EMA's grip in an ascending channel rise, while the bears weakened the bullish pen and setups breakout. Due to a pattern breakout caused by an unanticipated reversal, SHIB is now trading in the negative. Even though the 20-50 EMAs were pointing downward, sellers might keep pushing for dominance in the short run. More losses might be in store before a turnaround occurs if the price bounces back from the $0.01014 level. The first significant support level that sellers could aim for in this scenario is the $0.00981 mark. In the near term, the token could be able to benefit from a closure above the $0.01014 mark. A bearish invalidation and a test of the $0.0103 mark could occur for SHIB under these conditions. In addition, the recent price action and the Shikin money flows divergence above zero indicate a bullish divergence, albeit the former echoes the heightened negative edge. Rebound potential in upcoming sessions was hinted at in this reading. A rise in funding rates has been associated with a price increase for SHIB since the middle of June. Even if funding rates increased slightly over the last month, price action failed to generate a series of greater peaks and valleys. Furthermore, the altcoin has a 38% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin, thus it may be crucial to monitor Bitcoin's movement in connection to market sentiment in order to spot any bearish invalidations. Surprisingly, a new meme coin that competes with Shiba Inu was born out of Ethereum inventor Vitalik Buterin's jabs at other crypto projects. On his Twitter account, Vitalik Buterin joked about the need for someone to start a project called the Protocol. Buterin chimed in on the matter, saying that prominent members of the crypto community might easily promote a project just by mentioning it. Every time someone says anything, their shills can claim, "Look, so-and-so mentioned thanks to an initiative dubbed the Protocol." Furthermore, Buterin was cited, the protocol, an ERC-20 protocol, came to life a few days ago. The new meme coin's Twitter administrators have also followed Vitalik Buterin's advice, which is quite interesting. Some fascinating insights on the protocol have been shared by the crypto analytics firm Nansen. The protocol appears to have taken a page out of the Shiba Inu playbook, according to crypto analytics firm Nansen. Along with that, they've chosen to award Vitalik Buterin a 10% share, giving him 100 million tokens and making him the biggest holder. Some Ethereum investors were piqued by the coin, which is rather interesting. Vitalik Buterin, who acquired 100 million or 10% of the total supply, is the largest token holder, according to data from Nansen. With the majority of the distributed soon after its release, the top 50 non-entity addresses control 50.6% of the total. At a price of only $0.00028 USD each DA, the decentralized Vision.eth traded 3 ETH for $13,614,311. A large amount of institutional investment is visible on DA. While both Sister of Vitalik and HXR.eth sold their DAs just 2 hours ago, HXR.eth retains 2 million tokens. On Tuesday, October 18, during the launch, the price of DA Protocol DA increased by an incredible 1,000%. At its current price of $0.03352, it has increased in value by 100%. Hotbit and Mex Global are just two of the prominent cryptocurrency exchanges that have listed the coin in less than 6 days. With such a rapid increase, its market cap is now $33 million. Despite the crypto winter this year, the crypto community has been able to stretch to new areas of enthusiasm with the debut of the protocol. The price of Shiba Inu fell sharply during the crypto winter of this year, following a robust bull run last year. Exciting changes, though, have been occurring in the Shiba Inu ecology. More than 100,000 people downloaded the Shiba Eternity game when it was released on mobile platforms. In addition, with a trust score of 93 and second place on the Web3 security leaderboard, the Shiba Inu blockchain was established. The memecoin's trading activity could be boosted by the recent introduction of Shiba Inu's competitor. Satoshi Kusama, the developer of Shiba Inu, disclosed last week the connection between Shiba Eternity and the forthcoming Shibarium. We anticipate that the Shiba Inu ecosystem will pivot around the Layer 2 solution. The Metaverse and gas fee token /Boln Shiba swap will both benefit from the improvement, which will fuel it. The developers behind Shibarium, Xfund, will release their main core upgrade on October 19, 2022. Some SHIB army soldiers have speculated on Twitter that the Shibarium testnet could go live as early as October 26, 2022. The chief developer, Satoshi Kusama, took to Discord to explain the delay, as the debut was originally scheduled for the end of the third quarter. There was an immediate escalation of tensions inside the SHIB army as several members voiced their disapproval of the mysterious programmer's conduct and demanded that Satoshi Kusama resign. In a swift rebuttal to the naysayers, Kusama said, "People say I should step down, and I say they should step up. It has been a challenging, exhausting, and even dangerous process, according to the chief developer, to construct a structure that can adequately support the Shiba Inu ecology. Still, last week was extra special for the Shiba army because Shiba Inus were part of Coinbase and Google Cloud's cooperation. With this ruling, major corporations can finally accept payments in the top 20 cryptocurrencies, including the widely used humor coin Shiba Inu and its rival Dogecoin." According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency ranked 12th, is $0.00001036 USD, showing a slight increase of 1% over the past day, despite the difficult conditions in the cryptocurrency market. Even if Shibarium has been delayed, the Shiba Inu price has remained above the critical $0.0001 support level. The SHIB army has been doing a lot of the heavy lifting in terms of survival, and it has burned up 50 million of its cherished K9 tokens in the past day alone. The daily increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inus is 584.32% as of this writing. Global downloads of Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu's long-awaited card game, began on October 6, 2022. Lead creator Satoshi Kusama urged the SHIB army to download the highly anticipated card game on all platforms in preparation for the store break. So, outside of the crypto industry, the community's powerful voice may be heard. As the Shiba Eternity card game quickly overtook the traditional Uno in just a few short hours, it appears that the enigmatic chief developer's plot has come to fruition. Additionally,